I felt like I was sick and I did not sleep. God Supreme. Hey guys, good morning. Is it still morning at this time? I don't know, I think it's almost noon. I can't even explain what happened in this house yesterday. We are all sick at this point. Yesterday, when Diana woke up, I felt like she was having some liquid in her nose. So I thought maybe she breastfed and she did not burp well. Maybe that is why some were coming out. But when I took a close look at it, I saw that it was scatter. So, but it was not serious. I was checking her temperature. I gave her medicine. It wasn't serious. So we even went to my friend's baby's birthday yesterday, although we didn't spend time. So last night, Diana did not sleep. She started throwing up just about the time we are going to sleep. She was throwing up and she started coughing, dry cough. And the flu started getting serious at the middle of the night. All thanks to Jasmine, because she brought this flu home. Every time I treat Jasmine flu, she will go to school, come back with another one. Like every single time. So I've been protecting Diana from Jasmine not to have this flu, but it seems impossible because Jasmine is always around her sister and you cannot even drive her to live there. So it's somehow when I'm telling her to live where her sister is, like the thing they pinch me for body because of the kind of face Jasmine will give you. So when she woke up this morning, I tried to feed her, breastfeed her. She just couldn't swallow anything. And she hardly breathed. She couldn't even breathe well. She was trying to eat, but she needed to like breathe to swallow, but she couldn't breathe, so she rejected food. Oh, sorry. So I had to wash off her nose. I'll show you guys what I used, and you guys, it worked. It worked. Let me show you guys. I'm always scared using this thing to wash baby nose. See, I don't know if you guys know it, but I'm just going to advise you, if your babies or toddler have flu, use this to wash their nose. It worked like magic. So I'm always scared using it, but I just had to zero my mind to use it. I did it, you guys. Since that time I did it, she slept well. I didn't hear any sound or any blockage of nose. She even ate her food and she latched on my breast as normal. Now she just woke up. I want to feed her again. You heard when she sneezed, right? See her face. She turned 4 months few days ago. I took her picture with this outfit yesterday with her sister, but I was too tired to pull this clothes, so I'm going to change her later. I will soon bathe her because I wanted the weather to be kind of very hot before I bathe her. This summer, I don't understand though. This summer is not summer, you know. Today it will be very hot. Tomorrow it will be cold and hot. So it's just somehow. Even me, I'm feeling the flu already. My throat is scratching me. I want to feed Mama. I was the one that took Jasmine to school this morning. Her father will go and pick her up. Oh, yeah, pick. Good girl. I've just been up and doing. I was editing my friend's baby's picture and group picture I took them yesterday. You know, I am into photography somehow. So I surprised my friend yesterday. She didn't know I was coming. So I took her some pictures with her kids. Because yesterday was her baby's first birthday. So I was editing it. After editing it, I did meat pie mix. And I boiled rice, clean up the kitchen, wash water bottles and baby feeding bottles. So now I'm going to arrange the room. It's not easy doing everything alone. She's distracted. Diana, eat now. guys, the things I ordered online came today. I didn't want to do an unboxing because there are a lot. Like, I got a lot of stuff. You know, we are already in summer, so I got a lot of summer stuff for Jasmine and Diana. Just a few things for me and my car. So what I want to show you guys, I didn't want to do unboxing, but you see this one, I want to show you guys in case you have female children or toddlers. Yes, you see this one is my new favorite. Like, I love it. I was so glad I got it. I saw some, I think 15, 28 and then 32. This is airband, and this one I bought is 28 pieces. You guys, it's so soft and stretchy and beautiful with different color. It's so colorful. Let me show you guys. The quality is so good. The one I bought for Jasmine then was not as good as this one, honestly. Very soft, very stretchy. You see, this will fit Jasmine, it will fit Diana. Like, I don't know how to explain. It's just so beautiful. See, different colors. See, they are very beautiful. It was very affordable. I think I got this for 11 or 12 euros, something like that, for 28. Like, I just cannot get enough of this. I wanted to just share it. I got it from Shein in case, but if you need the code, I can just send you the link to the direct seller. I really love it. Before I set my camera to show you guys this thing, I really love it. If you have newborn baby girls or toddler, get this one. It has a lot of colors, like different colors. So this is what I just wanted to share. I'll see you later. I just realized I've not showed you guys the milk that Diana is taking now. So this is the milk she will be taking until she stops taking formula. Oh, let me show you guys. It's called Nan Supreme Pro 1. So this is what she's taking. It costs about 33.60 €. So my husband got it today. Like, we buy this every week. This is the one I told you guys they gave me at the hospital. The one they gifted me. You can see it's still sealed. It's been here for almost 2 months now. But I haven't started giving her. Although I asked my husband to buy me the water. This is the water. Baby water. To make this formula. Because this one is already liquid. It came as liquid. See. I use 1.5 a day. So this one, my husband said we should keep on giving her the liquid. That's why I've not opened this one, but I will soon open it, especially this summer when I'll be outside all the time, because this liquid, once you open it, it only lasts for 24 hours after you open it. Then you need to throw it away. So if it's inside the feeding bottle, after 2 hours, after she has already tasted it, after 2 hours it has expired, so you have to throw it away. So I think I will waste more of this summer, so I prefer this one. But let's see how it goes. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Diana with the big eye. See your big eye. Such a cute princess. Who is this Barbie doll? Who is this mommy's girl? Who is this? You guys see Diana at 4 months. We are snapping our photo shoot too. I said, let me just do a small video. Because baby girl has been so sweet. Baby girl is so sweet. Oh my god, I'm doing this video without my microphone. When I manage the audio.